What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening and welcome back to a new video. It's pretty late here, but to be honest, this light might be the best I've ever seen in one of my videos. To get into the video, that's why you're here. We're going to be talking about Optimism, or the OP token. I felt like it was time for an update. I know a lot of you hold it from the Cilinix Crypto community. And that's why I thought it would be interesting to take a look at it. But it's also it also really needed an update, because last time around we spotted this triangle, and even though after that drop we actually dropped down below that, today we still got our bullish breakout and we're nearing our price target. We haven't reached it yet, so that's still a little bit interesting. Volume is absolutely amazing at 360 million, has increased by 100%. A lot of momentum for OP right now, so I think a lot of great things can actually happen, and the first great thing is reaching that 1.5, 1.55 resistance level right here. That was my price target. It's still my price target, even though we found resistance at this 1.618 fib. That's always a nice fib for a price target, that 1.618, but you can clearly see, I mean, we also have this bullish breakout out of 1.38 right here. So even if we get some bearish momentum, we'll still just take a break retest of a 1.35, 1.38 and get up there, in my opinion. And from there it gets a little bit more interesting, because I actually do think that from here we will reject back down towards 1.38 and 1.33 and 1.35. But if we can hold 1.35 for a couple of days, like 3 days, and we keep this momentum in the market, that's very important. We need to, in the general crypto market, we need to keep this momentum, all right? So Bitcoin needs to stay above 21,000, for example, or stay above 20,700 at least. And if that happens, I think OP can actually, I mean, once we've broken above 1.55, it's easy to get up to our next price target right here at around 1.7 and 1.75. So I think we can reach that in the upcoming week and a half probably. But we need to, as I said, we just need to keep that momentum, all right? That's the most important thing. Bitcoin right now is performing very well. I mean, we can drop down all the way to 20,700, and if OP actually stays above 1.35 during that time, we're still going to get this move. So yeah, it's looking pretty good for the OP token, or Optimism. As I mean, I'm talking about all these different scenarios, and they're all based upon holding at 1.35. So I think we will actually hold 1.35, but just in case I'm wrong, all right. So let's just talk about the scenario where 1.35 breaks. All right, then we'll drop down to 1.25, 1.28, this level, which is a strong level, but what you'll then get is then you have that 1.35, 1.38 level as a resistance again, and you'll probably do something like this, all right, and then you would never reach 1.7 or 1.75 because the momentum is gone, and there's not enough bullish momentum, I think, in Optimism to get back up to 1.7 after dropping down below 1.35. All right, so as I said earlier too, I do think 1.35 is going to hold. I don't even think we're rejecting back down to it right now. I think we'll do something like this. But it's good to know, right? So that's my analysis and my take on the OP for now. I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Good night in advance, kind of depending on where you live. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, as I said, and take care. See you all tomorrow. Bye.